You have finished your first project. Yay! Now we will start our next lab series. So we're going to have a series of 4 more labs and then a project at the end, just like in the first 4 or 5 weeks of this course. So in the next, for this next lab series, we're going to create a responsive website. Basically what that means is that it will adjust its scale and positioning based on the browser width, as well as perhaps the device itself. Um, and it's going to use a framework. In our case, we're going to be using Bootstrap in order to do this. So it's going to be just one level above. You'll find it, I think it's actually a little bit easier than what we've already done because you won't have to write as much manually. You'll just do a lot of copying and pasting and then adjusting. For the first lab in this assignment, before we start doing the Bootstrap, we're actually going to be doing something kind of different than what we have been doing. Instead of just straight up writing into a text document, we're actually going to make an image. We're going to make a wireframe. So what you're going to do is you're going to make a wireframe, and it's just going to be more or less a mock-up of what you want the site to look like. There should be a couple of things that you're going to want to do this. For one, it's going to have to use a 12-column system. You'll see as we go through. So just that it uses 12 columns and that everything fits inside of a grid. It's going to have to, you're going to have to put placeholder text and images into this. It's not finalized images. It's just images to be there and text to be there, just so that there's something to work with, so that you have some mock content. You're going to have to choose a color scheme, as well as choose at least probably 2 typefaces, maybe 3. And then you will also create a custom vector graphic, so that you get a little bit of experience doing that as well. So carry on, and then you'll see how to do all these things.